DvSum delivers production-ready AI for telco operations, revolutionizing customer experience and radically reducing operational costs. Imagine achieving 40% reduction in customer operations OPEX, 20% reduction in calls to contact center, 35 to 40% increase in contact center productivity with lower AHT and higher first call resolutions, 30% reduction in unnecessary truck rolls and CP swaps driven by better first call diagnostics, an elimination of revenue leakage from billing discrepancies driven by proactive billing reconciliation. This is the future DvSum is delivering for operators with production ready AI that deploys in your existing environment in 13 weeks or less. Now, what's the challenge? The inquiries that come into the contact center require complex handling. Primarily, customers call to contact center 70% of time is because of service issues or billing questions. Whether it comes through the IVR or chatbot or to the customer service agents, they do not have the technical know-how or the depth to resolve those, sometimes resulting in incorrect diagnosis. Finally, the result today is poor customer experience, lower NPS, and higher OPEX. Now, DvSum, the solution with DvSum is it's an AI agent that is trained to understand service and billing. It connects to multiple BSS, OSS, and external systems, live checking the data, analyzing and troubleshooting problems across billing, provisioning, on premises CPE issues, or network issues, summarizing that and either recommending actions or taking those actions, whether it requires creating a dispatch ticket, escalating to knock, or letting the customer know they need to pay the bill. The results: DvSum increases customer satisfaction and NPS, reduces OPEX, and it works by integrating into your current contact center platform. Let's take a look. In the demo, we look at a customer who's facing intermittent internet connection. They call the 1-800 number and reach the live agent. They use DvSum to address the issue. Alternatively, if you already have a chatbot, once it detects a service inquiry or a billing inquiry, it routes it to DvSum AI agent. The live agent logs into the DvSum portal or it is integrated into the contact center UI. And they can just ask the question. There is built-in intent detection that happens. And now the agent is going and analyzing information. Let's give it a few seconds and see what it comes back with. So here we can see that it came back with a response. This explanation is already formatted based on the intent. If you look at it, below are the real technical details that the agent went and analyzed. It identified the issue as provisioning. It identified the reasons for it. It has gone and analyzed between the billing and the provisioning and the network system what the status looks like for the customer. So all the details that are available, supported by real data that is coming from your network operations, in order to come back with an accurate assessment of what is the action. So in this particular case, rather than asking the customer, hey, can you try resetting the modem, or sending a truck, this issue needs to be looked at from the provisioning perspective in order to resolve the issue. Now, let's say the customer had a second question about their bill, and the same agent, we can ask the question like, why did customer's bill change? Let's see what it comes back as a response with. Here again, we can see that without breaking a sweat, the agent has switched from a service question to a billing question, and it is explaining that the change in the bill is due to an upgrade to an internet service that somebody in the household had done, and it is explaining what are the higher level changes. Now, again, same thing, there is detailed explanation that it captured from the actual data on what exactly changed. What we saw was DvSum AI agent handles service and billing inquiries seamlessly. It connects in real time to the BSS and OSS systems, does troubleshooting and analysis for both network and billing, generates responses that are audience friendly, whether it's simplified for the agent or more detailed for the tech ops. And it also has the ability to handle multilingual conversations. from language detection to responding back in the same language. DvSum's production ready AI is enabling the vision of no call contact center and no fault networks for telco operators. Learn more at dvsum.ai.